students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 8. That is My Shadow. Meri Parjai. This is the poem My Shadow. So let's begin with this poem. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. So क्या होता है एक छोटी सी little shadow है, वो जहाँ भी जाती है, जहाँ मैं जाता हूँ वो मेरे साथ ही जाती है. That goes in, अंदर भी मेरे साथ आती है, आउट भी बाहर जाता हूँ तो मेरे साथ जाती है. And what can be the use of him? उसकी क्या use हो सकता है? Is more than I can see. मैं उसे देख सकता हूँ. He is very like me from the heels up to the head. वो बिल्कुल मेरी तरह है, मेरे heel से और मेरे head तक. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. और जब मैं अपने bed में jump करता हूँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है वो मुझसे पहले ही jump कर जाती है. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. उसकी funniest thing क्या है? वो way में जिस तरीके से वो grow करती है. Not at all like proper children. वो proper children की तरह grow नहीं करती, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball. तो ये कभी-कभी इतनी taller हो जाती है, मेरी हमारे इंडिया की rubber ball की तरह उसे stretch कर सकते हैं जैसे easily. And he sometimes goes so little that there is none of him at all. कभी-कभी इतनी छोटी हो जाती है कि वो उसकी तरह इतना छोटा कुछ है ही नहीं. He has not got a notion of how children ought to play and can only make a fool of me in every sort of way. He has not got a notion नहीं मिला है and of how children ought to play कि children कैसे play करते हैं and can only make a fool of me खाली मेरा ही fool बना सकते हैं in every sort of way हर तरीके से. He stays so close behind me. He is a coward. You can see. वो मेरे पीछे खड़ी रहती है हमेशा close behind me. मतलब मेरे पास खड़ी रहती है मेरे पीछे. मतलब आप देख सकते हो कि नहीं coward है वो. I had things shame to stick to nursery. I had things shame to stick to nursery as that shadow stick to me. और मैं ऐसे stick हो गया जैसे stick होती है nursery से ऐसे stick हो गई है वो shadow मेरे से. One morning, very early before the sun was up, I rose and found the spinning dew on every buttercup. So क्या हुआ था एक दिन one morning every early बहुत जल्दी before the sun was up जब तक sun भी नहीं आया था I rose मैं उठ गया and found spinning dew मुझे spin करती हुई dew दिखी on every buttercup हर buttercup पे. But my lazy little shadow like an errant sleepy head मतलब कि errant means bed. My lazy जो मेरी lazy sleepy shadow थी वो भी मेरे अब तक bed पे ही थी sleepy head पे मतलब like an errant like an bed sleepy head had stayed at home behind me. और मेरे घर पे रही वो मेरे पीछे and was fast asleep in bed और बहुत जल्दी से सो गई थी bed पे. So this poem is given by Robert Louw Stevenson. So that's all for this poem. This is a poem of a shadow that goes always with you in any condition. Sometimes it gets big, sometimes it gets small. So that's all for this poem. See you in the next class.